अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन। तो इसको हम करेंगे, जो हमने प्रूव करना है वो है S इज इक्वल टू वी आई टी प्लस 1/12 AT स्क्वायर। इसको हम प्रूव करेंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप विद मैथमेटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल मोमना इकबाल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर प्रेस कर दें। एंड फिर कंटिन्यू करते हैं। सो द वेरी फर्स्ट, लेट body start its motion with initial velocity, that is vi. Let after टाइम को t से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, its final velocity becomes vf. So what do you mean by this line? Whenever any body starts to move, जब भी कोई बॉडी मूव करना स्टार्ट करेगी तो सबसे पहले जो उसकी वेलोसिटी होगी वो इनिशियल होगी। फिर कुछ टाइम के बाद, डिस्टेंस कवर करने के बाद, उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी वी एफ हो जाएगी। When a body starts motion, its initial velocity vi and after some time its final velocity vf. So we know that the average velocity is given as, यहाँ पर जो है वो हमें एवरेज वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला पुट करना है। सो वी ऑल नो डैट कि एवरेज वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है, v average velocity is denoted by v and then small av is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. That is a formula of average velocity. So this is the very first step to put the formula of average velocity. Now also the total displacement covered by the body is given by S is equal to average velocity multiplied by time. This is the formula of total displacement that is covered by the body. So total displacement is denoted by S is equal to average velocity multiplied by time. This is the second step that we have done. Now putting the value of average value in second equation. This is equation 2 and this is the value of VAV. VAV is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. So we are going to put the value of average velocity into the equation 2. So F is equal to इसकी ये अब इसमें एवरेज वेलोसिटी डाल देंगे और एंड द होल थिंग रिटन एग्जैक्टली मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. Okay. Since we know that final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus at I plus at. Now we are going to put this value in above equation. S is equal to vi plus at and बाकी जो whole equation है वो वैसी की वैसी रहेगी by 2 multiply by time. Now what happened? S is equal to vi plus vi is equal to 2vi plus at upon 2 multiply by time. Then it's plus. Now 2 is for both, for this and for this. So write it again. S is equal to 2vi upon 2 plus 80 upon 2 multiply by time. 2 is cancelled by 2 and cross. S is equal to vi plus upon half at multiply by t. So in the next step all of these things are same, like S is equal to vi plus 1 upon half a t and t multiply by t at square. Hence S is equal to vi t plus 1 upon half at square. Proved. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share this video or like this video.